I chose Carroll Community because it was not only convenient and close to home, but it's also a great school.
I love all the different clubs that Carroll has to offer for students to feel welcomed in and included.
I like Carroll for its small class sizes, how close it is to my home, the relationships you can build with the staff, and the opportunities to be involved in the community.
I like that the faculty and staff were always available to support the students toward our goals.
The school isn't just about your education, but about the job that you're going to be getting afterwards.
I love the professionalism, blown away at how the professors prepare the students.
The instructors, professors, program directors get you ready for and get you into the career path that you want.
At Carroll, you get a lot for your money and lots of preparation for your future.
To learn more about Carroll Community College,
To learn why it's the county's #1 choice for higher education.
please join us for our virtual open house on October 15th at 6 p.m.
It's a great opportunity that you don't want to miss.